Peace to all my financial gladiators out there. Hope that you're staying strong and really vigilant in this time. Hope you're staying well in your mind, body, and spirit, and especially staying well in your finances. In this time where everybody's in their house and on the internet, it can be very tempting, and I can speak for myself as well, to go onto Amazon, go onto Etsy, go onto eBay, go onto some site and start spending our money. And just start spending it frivolously. So I think we necessarily need to definitely pay attention to our finances and not spend so crazy, but focus more on how we can invest our money or put it in to accounts or a way that it's going to grow. So when this time has passed, because this too shall pass, so when this time has passed, we have accumulated a nice chunk of money. And the reason why this is a perfect time now is because all these stimulus packages going on, a lot of financial institutions like your credit cards, they're kind of delaying certain payments. Like you can call them, kind of delay your interest rates, and then or even delay your payments, who knows? And you're having all these things going on to where you can actually save a lot of money in different areas in which you're used to paying, and then you can start channeling and putting that money to away. For example, I'm a dance fitness instructor, and what I do is pay a membership to be active in my Zumba, because I do Zumba. So I pay a membership per month to be active as an instructor and to say that what I'm doing is Zumba. And during this time, I could be online right now, doing classes, but I decided that I'm going to put my membership on hold so that I can save that money right now. And the same goes for other formats that I was doing. So I'm saving that money and I can redirect my money into other investments. And that's why I want to talk about millionaire mind actions today. And this is something that I've implemented into my life. And I have watched my finances grow because I've implemented this practice into my life. I was one of those people where, and if you see my last video, I was one of those people where I would make money and it didn't matter how much I made or how little I made, it would just go away. And then I would kind of be like, where is my money going? Because I wasn't tracking my spending. And one way that's really helping me really calculate my spending is a method that I learned in Secrets of the Millionaire Mind book by T. Harv Eker. He has this wonderful strategy, and I've also learned it through my financial literacy company that I'm a customer at. And I've also learned it through them in terms of this is a way that you build wealth. This is the way that you build your finances, because financial health is not just a physical thing. Money and currency is all energy as well. So when you can show the universe, you can show God or whatever you want to call it, if you want to show that higher power within that you're responsible with money, that's when the money starts flowing more into your life, when you show that you can be responsible for it. I know you hear those stories about the people who win the lottery and, they go and blow it, but then look what they do. They go and blow it because they lack the financial literacy to actually have to build something substantial with it. So if you ever come across $1 million and you just win it, I definitely want you to implement these strategies so that you can actually keep the money and not just blow it all away. And what this strategy is having multiple accounts for different things. And this is the way that I kind of budget it. So I have multiple accounts for different things. So according to the Millionaire Mind book, he's saying that you open your financial freedom bank account and you're going to put 10% of all your income after taxes into this account. This money is never to be spent, only invested to produce passive income for your retirement. And number 2, create a financial freedom jar in your home and deposit money into it every day. It could be $10, $5, $1, a single penny, or all your loose change. Again, this will put daily attention on your financial freedom, and where your attention goes, results show. Yes, darling. And number 3, and we're doing 4 of these. So number 3, open a play account or have a play jar in your home. where you deposit 10% of all your income along with your play account and your financial freedom account. Open 4 more accounts and deposit the following percentages into each. 10% into your long-term savings for spending account, 10% into your education account, 50% into your necessities account, and 10% into your give account. And number 4, whatever money you have, begin managing it now. Do not wait another day, even if you only have $1. Manage that dollar. Take 10 cents and put it into your FFA, your financial freedom account jar, and another 10 cents and put it into your play jar. This action alone will send a message to the universe that you are ready for more money. Of course, if you can manage more, manage more. And I think that's awesome. I don't follow those exact 4 steps. So with me, I have my personal account, I have my personal checking and savings, I have my business checking and savings, and I have my children's accounts, and then I have my wealth account, and then I have my food account and my gas account. So mine are kind of broken down a little differently, and then I have different accounts from what I make with my affiliate companies. I kind of keep a portion in those. When people make donations via Cash App or Apple Pay, I'll keep a portion of the money in there just to kind of have that energy to generate more money in it. So the way I work with money is very metaphysically, but it helps to have those different avenues. But after actually reading this book again to you all, I actually am going to start doing the financial freedom jar, where I can put a jar in my home, which I do have like a money bowl, and I have piggy banks and things like that. But I'm going to actually set the intention of putting, a penny a day into this jar that's going to build financial freedom from wherever I get a penny, or just to generate the income. And always just play with money. Have money just all around you in your face. But but one of the most important things, though, that I say that you really should implement, and I don't like to use the word should, so I'm gonna say what you really need to do and implement, if you're not doing already, is just to have multiple accounts, but mainly have a wealth account. Have a wealth account that is account that does not have like a credit card or anything attached to it, and everything that you earn, any money that you get, you put 10% of that money into that account, period. Put 10%, just do that. Just get used to paying yourself first. Get used to putting 10% of everything that you make, no matter where it's coming from, and put in that account. And that sometimes it's difficult. It took me a long time because I was like, oh, I want all of my money. But then you realize, shoot, I spent all of my money. So it's like a portion of what you earn, you keep. So put a portion of that and put it away into this account, okay? And make sure that you also do something that's going to be tithing. So tithe it, give it away. Give a portion of your money away. Just give it away. Give 10% away. You can give 5% away. Of course, more is always better. So give 5% away of what you make. And then when you calculate it, you realize it's really not that much. But these 2 things, I guarantee you, these 2 things, if you do it consistently, you will see an increase in your finances. You will see, because you're showing the universe you are responsible for your money. So you do these 2 things and you're going to see an increase in your money. I can almost guarantee it. I won't guarantee it because it depends on the person and it depends on your thoughts, because thoughts create reality. But if you're somebody that really believes in it and understands energy and law of attraction and how money works and currency, then I will guarantee that person who thinks and believes like that you're going to see an increase in your income. Because I can only say for myself, I'm definitely seeing more and more of an increase as I'm becoming more and more responsible with how I actually handle my money. And it's actually fun. It's really fun to do. And then you'll have a good time with it, and then you'll just want more money just to play with. Just to say, I'm gonna put here. It's just fun moving money around, playing with money. Like, people find enjoyment in spending money. Yes, that's fun too, but it's also fun in just playing with your money, just putting it here, there, and just kind of watching it grow in different areas. Like, to me, that's actually more fun than just watching it leave out of my hands, and then I have I can't retrieve it. I just have, an exchange of an item. But I just want to say in this time, like I said, stay strong, y'all. Don't be going crazy, spending money like crazy. Be smart with your money. Open up those accounts. You can always open up those online accounts and invest wisely. If you're spending in this time, make sure you're investing wisely. Invest in something that's going to be more healing and healthy, and it's going to help elevate you and your children's and your family's lives. Okay? Well, happy spending, y'all, and I'll catch you later. And check that link below if you need any credit building resources and budgeting tools and anything to really help get yourself debt free and on a path of a better financial future. Make sure you check the link below, and we'll help you get started on your path to financial freedom and wealth building today. Financial Gladiators.